Welcome back to another video, guys. So this is a Charlie's nail art collab that I'm doing a set for. The theme for this one is lace. Charlie's nail art has got so many lacy foils in at the minute. There's white chunky lace, I've got white crochet lace. I don't know what this one's called, I took it out of the packet. She's got loads of lacy foils, black and whites. So I'm going to be using one of them. Colours I'm going to be using is, it's going to be a pink and pastel blue. This is from Azure and it's number 7092, and it's just a nice kind of a pastel pink, really cute pink, that one. And I'm also going to need a pastel blue. I'm using this GD Cocoa number 843 and it's just a nice pastel blue. I think that pink and blue will go lovely together. I've pulled out some stickers. I'm not sure if I'm going to use any of them or not yet, but I like the look of these pink balls on here. I like them. And again, this one's got little pink balls. Some plain ones or some with a pink dot. Might use some of them, not sure. So, let's get some colours on these nails. I'm going to do the middle nails blue and the outer nails pink. So we'll start with the outer ones and then we'll do the middle ones. I'll give them one coat as usual, and if they need a second coat, I'll do a second coat off camera. So yeah, I'll give them one coat, cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. Right guys, that's them had 2 coats. I ended up giving them 2 coats. Right, I want the finish on these to be matte, so I'm using this matte top coat. I'm going to give them a quick matte top coat and then we'll get some of these foils put on. This matte top coat cures in a lamp for 30 seconds. Right, that's them cured. I'm going to get some foil glue on these 2 middle nails where I want to put the lacy foil. I'm using my She Modern glue gel. I absolutely love this stuff. This cures in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. So I'm going to cover the nails in this. Make sure you get it right down the edges. I always miss little bits on the edges, so I always pay more attention now. Make sure I get it right down them edges. And any bits of fluff you might have, flick them off as well. This one. Right, I'm going to get them cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then we'll get this foil on. Right guys, this is a first for me, but I'm so sorry. I forgot to press record. I'm so sorry. I've used these little bits of foil. I used the corner bit here to put this corner one on. And I've used that little bit there to go over there. And I've put striping tape around the edge of the foil. I'm so sorry. I don't know how that happened. I can only apologise. I am so sorry. But I'm a bit pissed off now. I'm going to carry on anyway. I was going to take it all off and do it again, but it took me quite a while and I really struggled with this striping tape. So yeah, I'm not doing it again. Right, I'm going to carry on anyway. I'm going to put some more striping tape on this finger and this finger. This one, I just want one piece going straight down the middle. And on this one, I think I might have 1 across or 2 across. I'm not sure yet. I'll do this one first. I just want a stripe straight down the middle. I don't need it right at the top because I'm going to be putting some bling at the top of this one. So I don't need it to be right at the top. but I do need it straight down the middle as best as I can get it, like that. Yeah, I'm going to be putting some bling at the top, so I don't need it right at the top. When you're cutting your striping tape as well, try and cut it just slightly shorter than the nail, so that when you come to top coat it, it will completely seal it in. Right, and on this pinky, I think I'm just going to do one stripe. See what one looks like first. I might do two. I love using striping tape, but it's very, very fiddly. Very fiddly, and it's hard to get it to stick to a matte surface. I maybe should have put some foil glue on these nails as well. We'll get there, we'll get there. Do one a little bit lower down. Gosh, it's so fiddly. One about there. Just make sure it's completely straight. Yeah. Right, I'm just going to use my silicone tool just to make sure these are really stuck down. And then I'm going to get all these nails now. I'm going to get them all sealed in. Again, I'm using matte top coat because I want these to have a matte finish. So I'm going to get them all sealed in with a matte top coat. These are hanging over the edges a bit, so I'm just going to give them a quick little snip. Yeah. Right, I'm going to give these a matte top coat now. And then I'll get them cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then I think I'm going to put some bling on them. I always do it sideways first. When I'm going over my striping tape, I always do it sideways. Because I'm scared of the product going underneath it and pulling it up. It's not very sticky, striping tape. I hate the stuff, but I love how it looks on a nail. That's them being cured. I love how that striping tape looks in matte. I love it. Right, I'm going to get some bling put on these now. But I think I'm going to put one of these stickers on. I want one of these stickers to go on the corner of this here. I don't know which one though. I think one of these little pink bows might look quite cute, mightn't it? Or one of them bows. No, I think one of these. Either that one or that one. Yeah, we'll put one of these balls on first, shall we? I think these are really cute. They've got a kind of texture, 3D texture to them as well. I really like them. Stick that down on there. I think that's really, really cute. I like that. Yeah, they've got a 3D feel to them. Cute. Right, I've pulled out some bling from Charlie's Nail Art, all different sizes. They're just clear bling. Oh, right, I've decided because my nails are matte, I'm going to just use a little bit of matte top coat to stick these onto the nail. They are only small gems, so it should hold. It should hold them on. Right, let's start with the pinky. I just want some gems on this bottom one. So I'm just going to put a little bit of matte top coat. You could always go around the edges of these gems with more matte top coat. Right. So I want a biggish one. And then this smaller one underneath. Right, and what I've also pulled out is some caviar beads, and I'm going to put these little beads in between my gems. I've been enjoying playing with bling and little clusters recently. I don't normally like bling on my nails, but yeah, I've been getting used to it and enjoying it. Right, I'm going to put some on this one as well.
Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster.
So on this one again, putting a big one at the top, then a smaller one, and then an itty bitty one. See, this is why I didn't put the striping tape right up to the top, because I knew I was putting gems on it. Right, and again, I'm just going to fill these gaps with some caviar beads.
Loud enough to quiet the thunder. In love with no doubt. And now I'm never going.
Right guys, I think that's them done. Let's make sure they're all straight. I'm going to get them cured in the lamp now for 30 seconds. And that'll be them finished. Right guys, that's them finished. What do you think? I'm so sorry I forgot to press record when I was putting these foils on, but it happens from time to time. I really love this striping tape in matte, I really do. And I love my little gem clusters. I really like them. Nice and delicate. And I love this flower. I'm actually happy with this set for a change. Yeah, I really like them. What do you think, guys? Let me know. Would you wear them? I would, definitely. Anyway, guys, that's going to be it for today. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Remember to hit that little bell as well so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.